Hello everybody. Assalamu alaikum. This is Minna's channel. I'm going to make Play-Doh. And my name is Minna Salah. So we have green food color, flour, salt, oil, and water. And my brother is going to help me if I forget anything. So let's start. So, will we start with the salt? I think we will. So let's put a pinch of salt. Okay. There we go. Then we'll put water. Then we'll mix it up. Just kidding, we'll mix it up. A little slowly. Okay, brother. Okay. Now I'll put the oil. It doesn't really look good. So let's just mix it up now. It looks like egg. Whoops. Okay. Just I think mix it slowly. Okay. So now I think that okay. I think now we will put water. Food color. So let's just put a little pinch. That will be enough. Watch. Now have to mix it up. I wonder how it turned out.
Now make sure all of them, make all of them full with the powder, so no accidents will happen.
Okay, brother. So let me just. Brother, may you clean this up too? I'm just going to the side here. I wonder how it will go. It doesn't really look like.
I think we need a little more food color.
Okay. Gotta add some more. Okay. Let's mix it up. Look how it's going. It's going green. This and make sure.
Stop doing that. Wait. Take it out with this spoon. I think we need just a little tip.
Okay, but I don't think so. Here you go. Tomato. Okay. sure all of the flour is in here. It's turning like Play-Doh. So you see, look. Okay. What's this? Put it here and make sure none of the Play-Doh goes out. Okay. Okay, but you can put this one more pinch of
That's all.
food color. It's turning into Play-Doh, you see? Look! It's nice.
Now flip it.
And the other side. Okay, now let's give a little stretch. Okay, I don't think it can stretch. Okay, now I think that will be enough. So did you enjoy this channel? I hope you enjoyed this channel. Subscribe and click the bell button. See you next time.